Hi guys, and welcome to another video. In today's video we're going to be doing basically a complete upgrade on my system. As you know, I have recently bought myself an i5 7600 and actually got another couple of bits and bobs to go in it, and they consist of a 240 gigabyte M.2 drive, which Apacer was kindly enough to send me, so that's one thing that's going to go in there. And I have something here, an Antec H600. This was sent to me by Antec quite a while ago, and I've been itching to use it. And to be perfectly honest with you, I have actually been scared because I know that electricity and water don't mix, and to be honest, it scares the hell out of me a little bit. So I thought, why not bite the bullet and put it in my machine. So we have that, and obviously there is some bits and bobs that I need, which will include of some Arctic silver, which is a little tiny tube of, something that came today, some tin cleaner, and I want to reposition my SSD, so this will come in handy just to mount on my PS shroud as well. So happy days. So let's get on with the video, shall we? Right guys, I hope you enjoyed that little time lapse of me upgrading my system. If you would like any benchmarks or anything, please leave a comment in the comment section below or hit me up on Twitter and I'll see what I can do for you. If you did enjoy the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, give it a thumbs down if you didn't, and why not subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And hopefully I'll see you all in the next video. So until then, take care. Bye.